Hey everyone, welcome to Mochi Shop Guide, your go-to channel for easy e-commerce tips and tricks that can be done on your store. Today, we are going to be showing you on how you can remove the Powered by Shopify text that is located at the footer of your website. And this is the text that I am referring to. And just to give you a heads up, you do not need any coding to make this done. We just need to edit some of the theme file content on your store. So let's jump right into this one. First thing that you need to make sure is that you are logged in on your Shopify store. And what you need to do is go to the online store section. Once you are there, you need to click on the three dots and click on Edit Theme File Content. Once you've clicked that Edit Theme File Content, you should be able to go to this editor page where you can edit the Powered by Shopify. Just search for Powered and you should see this field. What you need to do here is you just need to enter space on your keyboard and this will remove the Powered by Shopify text. Click on space and then save. Once you've saved this, this should work and this should remove the Powered by Shopify text. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to clean up your Shopify footer and give your store more professional look. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify guide. Have a good one and see you on the next video.